Hi, Internship Class students. I hope you're doing well. It's Friday, and I'm just going to quickly make a screencast-o-matic video for you to see how this works. So I'm right here at the website. I just clicked on Launch Free Recorder, and then you'll find that a little red button shows up over here, and you click on it, and then you get the record button that comes over here. Your screen that will be in the recorder view window is etched in this red and white outline. So you can put your PowerPoint presentation in here and do a voiceover, and voila, you have a video. And then when you press stop, it'll ask you how you want the video saved. The first thing is you want to make sure you know where you've saved it. So follow the path to make sure you put it in a folder where you'd like it. You can, I think the best thing to do is to make a private YouTube link, and then you can put the YouTube link into Blackboard in the discussion tab, so it'll go right in here. You can see that I was just beginning to start writing my note to you, and then when you're internship class, I just want to show you Screencast-O-Matic. So right here is the website page. It's a screen recorder, and all you have to do is click on Launch Free Recorder, and it'll download right onto your platform, your computer. You will get a red and white edged outline around your screen, and that'll show you how much of your screen is actually being recorded. And then when you finish your recording with your PowerPoint, you will save it within this program. So when you save it, you want to make sure that you know where your video is saved. Sometimes they're hard to find. You can save it onto your desktop or onto YouTube. I highly recommend saving it to YouTube because sometimes the videos are so big they can't be uploaded directly to Blackboard. But a link is very easy to add to Blackboard. So once you're finished, you're going to go ahead and put it onto Blackboard, and you'll put it right here in the final research project discussion board. You can come here. This is where your class sits on my Blackboard. You'll press discussions, and then you'll put it right in here in final research project. All you have to do is hit create thread. I'm going to grade your projects from here. It's easier for me to just go through them right here and add your grades. Be sure that you watch 3 other presentations. I know we're going to have a 5-minute description in our class, but it'll be great for you to watch the whole thing here. And when you're uploading your final research project, please be certain to put a subject into the subject section so that when you're uploading, students will know what your topic is, and then they can choose which ones they want to look at. If you have any questions, please email me, and I'll see you on Monday.